in today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Alora, and I got it in the color 1. This is the unit straight out of the package. The only thing that I've done to this unit was apply my lace tint in the color medium beige to the lace. First thing I'm going to do is cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Next thing I'm doing is cutting my lace into 3 sections and working on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with the Even Firm Hold Sensitive Spray. I'm blow drying that adhesive spray on a medium heat setting until I feel like the spray is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. Then you want to do that same exact process to the other 2 sections of the lace. In with my elastic band, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm going to blow dry the elastic band so that my lace can get that nice and melted lace type of look. And I do this process for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to cut our lace off, and when it comes to cutting the lace, I like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion because it gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting my lace straight across. I'm cutting my lace into sections as well so that I can actually pay more attention to the lace and the details as I'm cutting the lace off. I'm going in with some alcohol to clean off any extra residue that was left on the lace and my skin from the glue. So now I'm going back in with that Even Firm Hold spray, and I'm relaying the areas that did not fully lay down the first time. Now that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. And I love this product because it just makes the wig look so much more natural, and it blends so well with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer and my brush on the hottest heat setting, and I'm going over the top of this wig so that I can flatten this wig. To get the wig even flatter, I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting, and I'm just going over the top of my wig, making sure I'm getting the back of the wig as well to get that nice natural wig install look. Now I'm just brushing the curls out, trying to figure out how this wig is actually styled. And with curls, especially towards the bottom, you do want to comb from the bottom and then work your way up to the top even if it's just a short wig. I'm using my hot comb to take the front of the hair and push it more towards the center of the wig, if that makes sense. And I like to do this because it just creates more volume in the front of the hair. I'm going in with the Even Wig Knots Concealer in the color Medium Beige to enhance my parting space. At this point, you really just want to figure out how you want the hair to fall in your face, kind of finger comb it, play around in the hair a little bit until you are comfortable with the way it looks. Here is the final look of the wig, and I really do love the outcome. I feel like this wig definitely gives off elegant, classy, rich auntie type of vibes, and I'm all the way here for it. I decided to go for the no baby hair type of look for this first portion of the video because I really wanted to show y'all how the wig looked without baby hairs. Now, going into the second portion, I decided to add baby hairs so that y'all can visually see how both options look with this unit. Also, I do want to apologize for the blurriness during this baby hair process. The camera decided that it wanted to just be blurry for this part, so. So here is the final look of the unit with baby hairs, and if I'm being honest, I really did like the way it looked without the baby hairs, but I love the way it looked with the baby hairs. I don't know, something about the baby hairs is just really does something for the unit depending on the unit. Here's how the back of the unit look. It looks nice and full, it's not thin, there's no gaps, and you can still see the curls. I would say that this unit is big head friendly. I typically wear a medium wig cap, and I had a lot of space left with this unit. And as far as the texture on this unit, it is more on the silkier side. My favorite thing about this unit is the style. I love that it goes from straight to heavy curls towards the bottom, and it just gives off a different type of vibe from your typical curled bob wig. For this last portion of the video, I decided to add an extra style because the wig itself is very versatile, and I decided to use the 13x4 lace to my advantage. is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and let me know how y'all like this wig in the comments down below. And stay tuned for my next video.